Hey everyone! Ever wonder who figures out how to make clean drinking water, develop sustainable fuels, or create medicines that save lives? That's the work of chemical engineers. Today, I'm breaking down what they do in a super clear way. It's like being a master chef of science, and you might want to join the lab. Let's jump in. Chemical engineers use chemistry to create processes that produce everyday products. Think medicines, gasoline, or even your favorite snacks. They design systems to combine chemicals safely and efficiently, like crafting a perfect smoothie recipe but for factories. For instance, when you use hand sanitizer, a chemical engineer designed the process to mix alcohol and gels so it's safe and effective. They take big ideas, like, let's make eco-friendly packaging, and turn them into reality. Chemical engineers are like scientific puzzle solvers. They work on tough problems like reducing pollution from factories or making batteries for electric cars more efficient. If a process uses too much energy, they redesign it to save resources and protect the planet. They're also innovators. Ever wonder how shampoo gets that perfect texture? Chemical engineers experiment to find the right mix of ingredients. It's like blending science with creativity to improve our lives. Chemical engineers don't go it alone. They're part of a team. They work with scientists who research new materials, environmental experts who focus on sustainability, and plant operators who run the equipment. It's like a band where everyone plays a part to create something amazing. They run tests to ensure their processes are safe and reliable. Imagine a fuel that's not mixed properly. It could harm engines. So they analyze, adjust, and perfect their work. Chemical engineering is incredible. You can invent new medicines, design cleaner energy, or even make tastier food. The most common degree is chemical engineering, which teaches you how to design processes, handle chemicals, and use tools like reactors or simulation software. Other majors like chemistry, biochemical engineering, or environmental science can also lead there, building your science know-how. Degrees like biology or physics work too if you add process engineering skills. Don't want a degree? It's trickier, but some start with a science background and learn through specialized training or on-the-job experience. You'll need a solid grasp of chemistry, math, like calculus, and problem solving, plus skills with tools like process modeling software. Employers value hands-on experience. Think internships at a pharmaceutical company, lab experiments, or research projects. Create a portfolio, like a report on a process you optimized, to show off your skills, whatever your major. The Bible says in Proverbs 22:29, "Do you see any truly competent workers? They will serve kings rather than working for ordinary people." That means mastering chemical engineering can lead to big opportunities, like working at companies like Moderna or developing sustainable materials. All you need is a passion for science and persistence. Try free platforms like Khan Academy for chemistry basics, or do simple experiments at home. It's less about memorizing formulas and more about solving real-world challenges. Ever wonder if jobs like this existed in Bible times? They did, kind of. Think of perfumers who mix sacred oils for the tabernacle as mentioned in Exodus 30:25. They blended ingredients precisely, like chemical engineers creating medicines. Or artisans like Bezalel, as mentioned in Exodus 31, 1-5, who worked with metals to build holy structures, solving problems with materials just like engineers optimize processes. These folks transformed raw materials into something valuable, just like you could. Chemical engineering isn't just rewarding, it pays well too. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual salary for chemical engineers in the United States was $121,860 in May 2024. That means half earn more and half earn less, with the top pulling in around $192,190 and the bottom earning around $78,540. But here's the cool part. Pay varies a lot depending on where you work. States like Texas pay $158,980 on average. New Mexico pays $146,420, and Oklahoma pays $139,170. These three top the charts, especially in areas with big chemical or oil industries, like Houston, where salaries can hit $167,400. Meanwhile, states like Florida or West Virginia tend to pay closer to or below the national average. Why the difference? It's all about demand, industry focus, and cost of living. Big industrial hubs need more engineers and often pay more to attract them. Want to cash in? Look for jobs in high-paying sectors like oil and gas, up to $181,010 median, or pharmaceuticals. You've probably heard that AI, like tools for simulating chemical reactions, might take over chemical engineering jobs. Sure, AI can crunch data or predict how chemicals mix, and industries use it to streamline work. But here's the truth. AI isn't replacing chemical engineers anytime soon. Why? This field is about more than calculations. It's about designing safe, sustainable processes and making judgment calls AI can't, like ensuring a new fuel is safe for the environment. AI is like a trusty lab assistant. It speeds up tasks, but engineers are the ones leading the charge. Plus, chemical engineers are needed to build and improve those AI tools. The job is evolving, though. Engineers who embrace AI and focus on innovative areas, like creating green energy or leading research, are highly sought after. So, is it still worth it? You bet. Chemical engineers are vital for solving global challenges like climate change. Chemical engineers make the products we rely on, medicines, fuels. They blend science, solve challenges, and collaborate to improve the world. If you're excited about chemistry, innovation, or making a difference, this could be your path. Not sure if it's for you? Try a chemistry or engineering course. Lots are free on platforms like Coursera or edX, or see if your school offers one. It's a great way to test if you love working with science and processes. Some chase chemical engineering for the paycheck, but later realize it's not their vibe, so try it out to see if it clicks. Check out free science resources like Khan Academy or join a STEM club at school. Who knows? You could invent the next game-changing sustainable product. Thanks for tuning in. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.